Hi everyone, welcome to another magnet fishing episode. This isn't the original spot we wanted to go to because we found a new spot that we haven't been to before. We got there and people were fishing.
Fishermen everywhere.
Yeah, there was a match on and there was fishermen everywhere. So we've just found a spot, come out and then we're like, oh, we've been here before. But we're going to try again, so let's see what we get today.
Yeah. Right, his first throw. Oh, that's a curve. Oh, got all these blossomy. You know, these little pink leaf things blossom.
Oh, you're blossoming, are you?
Going down and booed me.
You went where?
But it booed me. So rude. Oh, he's got twigs and twigs and twigs. On a bit of a can. Can. Yeah, we have been.
That's actually a cable.
No, it's not.
It is, look.
Oh, yeah, it is. That looks like a twig, doesn't it? Yeah, all the graffiti of blockbusters.
Yeah, that's a twig.
I'll have a pea bob. What? Yeah.
Oh, you playing blockbusters?
Yeah. I used to love that. That is some good artist though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Doing that. Just don't know why they waste their talent. There, though.
Some people actually pay for them to put art like that on their wall.
Yeah, I know, but not under a bridge.
Oh, hello.
Oh, he's stuck on something heavy. Oh, he's come off it. Oh, on, off. Oh, off.
What's going on there then?
Don't know, something's stuck there.
Not there now.
What? Oh, it's the swamp monster again. The canal monster. Oh, no, he's on it.
There's a ledge there.
Oh, there's a ledge. It's probably something stuck under the ledge then.
Yeah.
Why would there be a ledge? That's weird, isn't it? Yeah, how could he look like using like concrete?
Look, I actually redone the magnet.
Well done, Philly. How would you do that? Looks quite spooky here, look. Look, this is where we're at. It's very quiet. I know you can hear the cars, but I find it spooky. I don't find anywhere spooky now.
What's spooky?
This area looks a bit spooky. Oh, what you got on the side?
Yeah, we can.
Ah, that's all we're gonna get. Can. Oh, you need to pull the trolley in. That would have been funny.
It's going to happen one day, isn't it?
Oh yeah,
Come close to it, useful.
you have indeed.
Definitely going to happen one day.
Hang on, what bridge is this? A car bridge or a train?
Car.
Okay. You know I don't like being under the train ones.
We're actually underneath a roundabout.
Okay, that will be round to me. I don't think we're going to have much luck here, you know.
I don't think we like it.
Oh, you need to punch yourself in the knees then. Oh, I thought you were stuck or something then. Are you? No? Oh.
No, I don't think so.
I see lots of bubbles.
No.
Oh, we're not getting out.
Now it's coming out.
Now coming out. Oh, hear that? Blob. It's a bit nippy today. Not too bad, but you know. Oh, that's like a concrete in it, near it. No, it's coming out clean as a whistle. Ah, what's this? What is that saying? Clean as a whistle. That's a stupid saying.
What?
Clean as a whistle.
Yeah, it is a bit. It's not clean if you're dribbling it.
No, exactly. Don't get that. Some of these sayings are a bit stupid in them. Twigs again. Oh my goodness. What's that? Oh, stone. Oh no, it's that. Is it a bit of metal?
Yeah, a bit short.
Yeah. Oh, we're not doing good here. I love that sound. All the ivy. Going everywhere. You are? What's down there? Oh, let's have butchers. See, another sign. Let's have a butchers. What's that also? I feel like I'm on the seaside. It's all sand. Oh, look at that. Oh, hang about, there's spider webs here. Oh, look at that.
Spider-Man and climb down the wall.
Philip. Oh, I touched something. Look, there's spider webs all along this.
Yeah, there's cobwebs over there.
Oh yeah, there's a bigger gap there. Let me look through there. There's nothing there, is there, Phil? Oh my goodness. Oh, it's interesting, isn't it? We could paddle in that. Look, I see a shovel or something. That looks like a shovel. Oh, it's a pity we can't get down there. Put our wellies on and have a walk through it. Oh, he's gone. That's a bit rude. Isn't it? There's a shovel. It looks like a shovel. Broken shovel down there. Yeah. Look to your left a little bit now. Oh, you're touching all the webs. Looks like a shovel, doesn't it? I know, it'd be fun. Put our wellies on and walk through that.
Oh, you fall over, straight for that.
I won't fall over. I fall over. Yeah, I did feel my wellies, but you know, that's because I went a bit too deep. And I was sliding and sliding into it. And then him and Jeremy just stood there laughing.
We find that highly amusing.
Yes, I know you did. I just said I couldn't stop laughing, but you know, it was funny.
It's how big your eyeballs went.
It
Like
shocked
on
me
the
because,
cartoons when the eyeballs come back the red.
yeah, because you two were saying, come back, don't go. But I couldn't, I was actually sliding down a little.
Yeah, but it looked
Hilly
like you
thing.
just carried on walking.
No, I weren't
thought,
walking,
Oh,
I
well,
was-
never mind.
I was
And we was in
sliding.
stitches.
It was funny. So if anyone ain't seen that video, you should watch it. It's quite funny. I think it's called She Filled the Wellies, something like that. I don't know, something like that.
Yeah, I did call it that, yeah.
Yeah, it was a funny
Julie
day.
filled the wellies.
Yeah. Ooh. It's
I
clunking.
think there's a barrier down there.
I think there's metal in with the concrete somewhere. Because you're hitting the lip again, ain't you?
Yeah.
See sort of white there, what's that? That's it. See something? Oh, it can't be anything. You just went through it. Got all these bushes here. Some stingers. Stinger nettles. Oh, hello. He got me. They're bad. Oh, look at that graffiti there. That looks quite cool.
Who was that?
I don't know. Really don't. I can't understand the writing, what it says. But it's cool. What we got?
What have we got? What have we got?
Yeah,
What have we got?
we got something. What is that?
Part of a lock, do you reckon?
Oh, maybe. Could be. I don't know.
Possibly. Ow!
He's just got his
Got my finger.
Not laughing. Honest. Let's have a look at this side. Oh, look at that. That's pretty. I love the silver paint. Look at that. Oh, okay. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. Oh, God. How did they get under there to do that?
Oh, yeah.
Wow. That's weird, isn't it? How would they get under there?
Yeah.
Curious.
Oh, no.
Oh no, he's stuck underneath.
No.
Oh, it's coming, it's coming. Oh, it's. Here we go.
Did I get anything?
No.
Don't.
Apart from an anxiety attack, you didn't get anything.
This is not looking good.
It's not, is it?
Things never been to empty. Saying that, we have had times where we've been out fishing and we found nothing and just deleted the footage and went on.
Yeah.
Because we had nothing.
Nothing.
It happens.
Just stones, oh my goodness. Stone crow. That's another stupid saying.
What?
Stone crow. I think he's exercising. He's doing like a fast walk. Bless him.
Not very fast. Just a normal walking. Nothing.
Oh my goodness. Oh, look at all the webs up there. Oh my goodness, no.
Whoa, sorry.
Look at stop, Philip. Oh my goodness. Hang on, I can't move fast. Oh my goodness, look at them all. Oh, look. Oh, they're above my head. Oh, I'm not liking this. Oh, I'll just stay back here. Oh, Philip, what's that on my camera?
What, where?
Get that off.
Oh, have you got cobweb on it?
I don't know. Oh! Oh my goodness. Do you think I did that when I went to have... Oh my God.
Could be a spider.
Don't feel it, is that?
No. Oh, hang on, what have we got?
Oh, I don't know. I'm looking. Oh, he's got a pram. Push chair. No, it's not. It's a shopping trolley.
Hey.
Yeah, we've got something.
Oh, it's not really good.
Different kind of shopping trolley. Mine is a wheel. Ah. Could have done shopping in that, Philip.
Oh, the magnet fishing stuff in
Yeah.
there. Yeah, the magnet.
You need to find the wheel.
Really gone.
It really has. At least it's summer. Did you drag that over or was it just on the edge?
I think I dragged it over, I'm not sure. I'm not really sure. Oh, well,
Oh, what you got? What you got? Oh, what's that then?
That looks like a foot off, like a sofa.
Do you think?
Or a chair or something.
Don't to me.
Yeah, the little cap that stops
Yeah,
it
I know what
scraping
you're
the,
saying, but-
on the floor.
Still
whatever
don't
that
to
was.
me.
Right.
Uh-huh. I don't know. That's what that says. Jeff Cry, keep. Timo. Jeff Cry, keep. Timo. I don't know.
No.
All the joggers are coming out now. Oh, what's he got? He's got a tin. What was in that tin? I asked myself.
Tin of biscuits.
Ooh. How'd that come together like that? It's pretty thin, isn't it? What's in it? Gift bag.
Gift back. Dates for orphans.
Oh, look
Oh,
at
were
that.
they?
Leech.
screw me, won't
You're going to have to get that off. I want to know what's it. We need the side. I want to know what was actually in it.
Oh.
Oh, something to eat because there's nutritional facts.
Dates.
What? It's for a charity, thank you. What's underneath? Oh,
Thank
it
you
is
for supporting our orphans.
Oh, okay.
Let's spread kindness together and make a difference that echoes in the Akira. Designed by Farah.
It is, it's a
Subin.
tin of dates.
Yeah.
Okay. That's cool.
Okay.
It's a nice fancy tin, isn't it?
Yeah.
What's it doing in here? Oh, mighty crows. Oh, it's got some. What's that then? That looks like a radio, like a taxi car or something. Do you think? I don't know. Surveillance camera. Alarm. Control.
Alarm system.
Yeah, an alarm. Okay.
It's off a Ford. He's got the Ford badge.
Oh, yeah. It's made in Hungary.
I'm hungry.
You're always hungry. Oh, you got other bits and bobs on there. Very muddy. Someone don't learn to clean. Clutch. Oh my god, I can't get my words
Stone
out.
in a can.
Stone in a can. Can stone.
What about swishing the mat?
Yeah. Shush. Just couldn't get the words out.
Should put that on a t-shirt, give it a swish.
Give it a swish. Yeah, that's good actually. Just a bit of can. Yeah.
That's a short one.
Yeah, these growing through they're growing through the actual wall.
Hey?
Are these planty things, weeds or whatever they are? They're growing through the wall. Where are you going? Oh, that's it. Put it all over my shoes. Nice. Look at him. That looks like pea.
That looks like wee-wee.
Apple. It still looks like wee.
Greg's apple juice.
They need to drink more water if that's their wee. It's a bit dark in it. Oh, that's making me want to wee. Someone's been here already. Oh, this mess.
Yeah, licking
Yeah, there. Look at all the rubbish there. Oh my goodness. Terrible. Terrible, I say. Ooh, what's he got? Oh.
It's like a
Yes,
bed
spring.
spring model.
And screw. Ah. What's that walking on the grass up there? Can you see it? Oh, it's a geese. Oh, geese. It's a geese gander.
It's a geese.
Goose.
I say geese is more than one.
Yeah, what's a goose? Oh, there might be all one. Let's see one at the minute. Oh, slush it. Oh. What's that then? Huh?
I have no idea what that was. Looks like, you know, you cement it in the wall and it's like a foot.
Foot finger, yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Could be that.
Could be. Oh, some fishes in there. I see movement. Well, we know there's fishes in there, but too dirty to see. Oh, sun's coming out. Nice. Oh, that's a bag. Oh, what we got here then? We've got a mobile phone.
Another piece of a lock.
And what's that? Is that a case or another phone?
You got that?
Yeah.
It's got part of a hinge.
Is that a phone?
That looks like dodgy scales.
Oh.
Digital scale.
Yeah, they are.
2 sets of digital scales.
Oh,
That's all that about there.
Thought it was a phone.
Dodgy. That's going in the pouch.
No, it's not just to get them. To get them in one throw.
Yeah, someone's
Are you having bother
through
there?
their evidence.
Oh. Oh yeah, the sun's coming out nicely, isn't it?
It is. Yeah, but it's April showers, isn't it? So the sun comes out.
Yeah,
And then
seconds
you think,
after.
yes, let's go out, and then it rains on you.
Yeah. Yeah, because the sky is not looking good at all.
Yeah. Gives you a false sense of security.
Yeah, it does.
That you can go out and about. Hang on, there's actually a bag here.
It's an IKEA bag by the looks of it.
I wonder if that's where them things come out of. Because it looks like
It's a sign, isn't it?
they put it there, so they can come back for their stuff.
Really, that's a bit dodgy.
Mhm.
That's empty.
But it didn't work because it's empty. Well, like playing these games when you work out like what's there and what they're done. It's always wrong, but you know.
Yeah, I was saying, look at the rubbish here. We could put all this rubbish in that bag after.
Huh?
When we finish the mangler fishing, all this rubbish, put in that IKEA bag.
That's a good idea. Right?
Yeah, we'll do it when we finish though.
Yeah, I'm going to hang it on there.
Oh, okay.
We won't bury it.
That's a good idea, yeah. Well, you hoping to get more stuff out?
Hopefully. You never know.
That new game. Oh.
It's coming over way too easy.
Yeah.
Why not?
Oh.
Yeah. Hold on now. Come on, sir. Oh, hello.
Oh, yes, he's got an hammer.
MC hammer.
Hey, oh, that looks a good one, doesn't it?
Can't touch this.
Hey, that's a good one. I'd keep that if I was you.
I've got one similar to that in the house. You should.
Yeah.
Yeah. If I remember right.
Still a good one. I wouldn't throw that.
Used to be my dad's.
Oh. That's cool. Look at these leaves. Weird. It's a bit like aloe vera leaves. I know it's not, but you know.
What?
Them shape of them leaves look like aloe vera leaves, isn't it?
I'll leave it.
I need to separate our aloe vera plant in the house.
Yeah.
It's getting a bit bushy. Yeah, nothing but mud. He got his eye.
Oh, hang on.
You okay there? Oh, there. Don't cry. Do you want a Mr. Man plaster?
Just give me all one.
You okay?
Yeah. Don't get goggleitis.
Don't get goggleitis now. That won't be good. You got goggle-eyed.
Remember that eye infection I had?
Yeah. You try. What was it? You tried.
Uveitis.
Uveitis, something like that. Yeah.
fluid in my retina and it was detaching itself.
Yeah, it was all blurry, weren't it? You couldn't see.
Yeah.
It's quite a scary moment that was, wasn't it?
Yeah. It took about 6 weeks to get rid of that.
Mm.
Maybe a bit longer.
Oh, what's that? Just twigs.
Big bit.
Let's see with the plants there. Plants, weeds, whatever.
So you take the metal again?
Yeah, I reckon in the ledge there's some metal. Yeah. God, that sun's
You
blinding.
get damage to the boat when you're having like metal under there.
I think it's only on the ledge bit though, we need just to reinforce it. I would have thought. I don't know. Just saying. Ooh, what you got? What you got? Bit of like a basket.
Mm.
Oh, it's so muddy down there, isn't it? Buckety bucket. Oh. Oh, he's got a bag.
It's a piece of cartridge.
There's nothing in that bag, is there? No. Oh, more metal.
Oh, just a bit of
Metal and
shot.
rubbish.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Bye.
Oh, watch, don't trip over that, Philip.
Oh yeah.
If you're going to let me film it there.
Okay.
Okay, he says.
Bit of shrapnel.
Yeah.
That's where I did the rope tangled round it.
You've got it round the wheels, haven't you? Yes. Oh, you want something there? Oh, it's come off. Oh, see the balls.
What was it?
There. A little bit of piping. Wheelbarrow handles, isn't it?
That I would say was an exhaust
An exhaust.
pipe. yeah.
Okay.
In my face.
Yeah, all over my hand. So rude. Was it stuck again then? Did you move it? It's coming over too easy, isn't it? What chicken there for towel? Oh, hello. What is that?
That's a rotten mess, that is.
Hmm?
It's definitely exhaust. There's the
bracket on it.
thing.
Yeah. Oh, it's not. Oh, there you go. I thought it was all just one item then, but it's not, is it?
Yeah, that's where it attaches
That
to the
one?
manifold with that bracket.
No, I'm on about them bits.
I don't know what them are.
It's got stuck to his foot.
Yeah.
Oh, that's funny.
I don't think we'll bother staying here much longer. It's pretty much here, isn't it?
Nah, no, we'll get back to the babies.
Yeah, it took us a while to find a spot as well.
Yeah, we've been out for quite a long time now.
Plus we got to tidy that little down there as well.
Yeah. Put it in the sack. Sack it off.
Sack it in the sack.
Oh, that little plate is there. Got 56 on it and
56 NAC.
NIC, what's that mean?
I don't know.
Oh,
Wonder if they have fishing matches down here as well.
might be, there's another one up there. Ooh, what we got here then? Ooh, a mess.
Piece of
Oh,
plate
big
and spanner.
spanner. Spanner head. Hey, that's got been down there for a long time, innit?
Yeah, look how the crust has got all over it.
Oh my goodness. Proper old. Oh. Oh, there you go.
What?
Cool.
And piece of plate.
Well, then I never.
Nail.
A nail. What do you think's over there? Because there's like another bridge arched over there.
Oh, yeah.
So, I mean, it looks like.
That's train. You can see the electric lines above.
Oh, up there, yeah, but I'm on about that archway over there.
Yeah.
What's that all about? Just to hold the bridge up?
I don't know, perhaps Archie lives under there.
Who's Archie?
Oh no, you keep calling them Archies.
That's a shovel.
What's left of one?
Wow. Do you think, I wonder who the last person used that?
Yeah.
It's curious, innit? Love to know.
I mean, was it used when they first dug out the canals?
Dug out the canal, yeah. Well, I
Was it
wouldn't have thought so,
before-
because that
before
was,
A barge when they used to transport stuff before
yeah.
lorries?
Curious I am. Love to know the
Curious and
story
curious.
behind it.
Oh, what's good with the brambles there?
Yes. Oh, oh, what you got? Just a little metal lid. More the mud. Oh, look. Is it off a car? It is, isn't it? It's got eye on it.
Oh.
Aye? Aye? Load of mud. Should have slushed it. Is it a hub?
Looks like a hubcap.
Doesn't it? What? Why don't you put it back on the magnet to slush it? Oh my goodness, it's going in. It is.
The only car I can think of is an old Hillman
Austin.
Avenger.
Oh, I don't know. Anyone knows what that's off? Do 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 do.
Yeah.
Let us know. Right, one more throw and I think we should call it a day.
Yeah. Yeah, 'cause we're not really getting anything out of it.
No. I think the trolley was the best thing. Oh no, the scales as well. I still like the trolley better. Come on, get something good on here.
No, because if we get something good, I want another throw.
Oh. Oh, what's that? Stanley knife.
Yeah. Or they call it box cutter in America.
Box
don't they?
cutters, yeah. Okay then. That's your lot.
Yeah, that's it. Come on then.
Right, let's go have a look in the trolley and see what's in his pouch. Look at them sandbags there. What's that there?
What's that? You want to look in my pouch?
I want to look in your pouch, dear. Right, there's them. Oh, it stinks. The shovel, the trolley, the hubcap thing.
That's pretty cool, that is.
That is cool.
Yeah, I'm going to hang that in the shed.
Shiny. The tin. You can hang that in the... Oh, okay. That's in the pouch. Come on.
Spanner.
Oh, the spanner. Oh,
And then obviously
we've got the
just
bag to get that bit of rubbish off.
find the box cutter.
Box cutter. And go in the trolley now.
And
These scales. I
Two
don't think
Dodge
they'd ever
scales.
work again, would they?
2 digital scales. Oh no, they'll never work again.
I mean, I know people use them to weigh drugs on.
Yeah.
But what are they originally for? To weigh, like, I don't know, jewellery,
Diamond.
stone, diamond, yeah, could be. Things like that. Because they're not originally actually made purely for
No,
the
they're
drugs,
just,
are they?
No,
So,
they just use them for drugs.
yeah, oh, them stink.
What,
Ooh.
your farts?
Hey, rude. Come on, let's finish off this before you go and do your Cinderella stuff.
Yeah, I'm putting that bag there ready.
Yeah, we can
Right,
try that.
so that was a trip we wasn't expecting.
Yeah.
Expecting somewhere else. But,
Somewhere else, but ended
Somewhere
up-
we hadn't even been before as well.
Uh,
So that's why we didn't know they was doing magnet fishing.
fishing.
There was a fishing match going on. So yeah, so hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give us a like and subscribe if you haven't already.
Yeah.
So till the next adventure, take care, stay safe, and we'll see you soon.